At the Vayu Shakti 2024, Indian Air Force's Su-30 dropped heavy caliber weapons and showcased its pinpoint strike capability at Pokhran in Rajasthan. A Rafale aircraft successfully engaged an aerial target with a Mica air-to-air missile at the Vayu Shakti 2024. Philippines Aerospace Development Corporation have tied up with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to offer Tejas MK-1A to Philippines as a naval strike platform equipped with Brahmos-NG missile. HAL is also willing to undertake partnership for local assembly of Tejas by Philippines Aerospace Development Corporation. A Chinook helicopter of the Indian Air Force made a precautionary landing after a technical snag in Punjab yesterday. Indonesia's Defense Minister Prabowo Subianto is widely considered a frontrunner in the upcoming presidential election, and he has expressed strong interest in forging closer ties with India, including weapon deals. An Arleigh Burke-class destroyer of the US Navy has arrived at Visakhapatnam for the MILAN 2024 exercise. The ongoing Vayu Shakti 2024 exercise saw contrasting results for the Indian Air Force in air-to-air combat scenarios, as the French-made Rafale successfully engaged a drone target with its Mica missile equipped with a radio frequency proximity fuse, resulting in a good hit on the drone target, while the Russian Ir-73 missile fired from Tejas aircraft encountered issues, despite engaging the same target drone under seemingly favorable conditions. Experts have said that the Indian Air Force has acknowledged the Ir-73 limitations and has already integrated modern missiles like the fifth-generation Israeli Python 5 air-to-air missile, Mica, and the SLCM for close combat engagements. Greek armed forces are considering a potential upgrade for their RM-70 multiple rocket launchers, and Indian company Munitions India Limited has offered to bring them to Pinnacle standard. The RM-70 is a Czechoslovakian variant of the BM-21 Grad, which has a 20 km range, and Munitions India Limited has offered the enhanced 122mm rockets which have a range of 40 km. The Indian Army is all set to issue a request for proposal for the 1,770 future-ready combat vehicles worth 57,000 crore rupees. The FRCV will be inducted in 3 phases, with 590 units in the first phase, and each phase will introduce newer technologies to ensure the highest levels of survivability, lethality and agility. 10 years after starting the 51 Mirage 2000 upgrade program, the Indian Air Force is nearing the finish line, as 90% of the Mirage 2000 aircraft has already been upgraded, and the remaining aircraft are in the final stages of modification, and delivery of the last upgraded jet is expected by the end of 2024. The upgraded Mirage 2000 are now equipped with modernized avionics, radars and communication systems. A Russian think tank has said that India plans to test a 500 km range new submarine-launched cruise missile next month that will incorporate cutting-edge technologies like thrust vector control, in-flight wing deployment, and in-flight engine start. The successful integration of the SLCM on 6 Calvary-class submarines and 6 Project P-75I submarines will significantly enhance India's naval deterrence and also impact the regional security landscape. Today's top 3 comments.